One of the featured phone ni Tecno during the MWC 2024 is here na sa ating kamay. Introducing the Tecno Camon 30 series, and this is the Tecno Camon 30 5G. But there are other two variants na i-introduce ko rin sa inyo a little bit later. This one has a 50MP na improved camera system, AMOLED display na may 120Hz of screen refresh rate, eco leather finish ang meron niya sa likod, plus a big improvement dito is a 70 watts na fast charger. Lahat na yan pag-usapan natin kung sulit ka ba itong phone na ito, and bakit ito nga ba ang nireview natin dito sa video na ito. Don't go away after this quick intro. Now, itong Tecno Camon 35G na may 8GB of RAM, 256GB of storage will be priced at $11,999, and ang kanang 852 will be priced at $13,999. And here's the good news, from May 10 to May 12, pag bumili kayo sa kanya early bird sale, itong 8256 will be $9,499 na lang, plus yung kanang 8512 will be $10,999. Official link on the description box below. Now, there's other two variants like sinasabi ko sa inyo, Tecno Camon 30 Pro na may 1252 na storage will be exclusive lang sa TikTok, will be priced at $19,999. And ang Tecno Camon 30 Premier na may 5G capability at 1252 din siya will be priced at $23,999. The reason ba't ito ang ni-review natin kasi the other two are 20,000 pesos and up. And probably this is the more affordable variant na probably everyone can buy. And gusto ko pakita sa inyo yung capability nito phone na ito. The other two are a little bit far reach, no? Kasi 20K and up. So if I get the chance, i-review ko rin dito sa inyo para makita nyo ang ganda ng Pro and Premier. Kaya kailangan nyo mag-subscribe dito sa akin channel para ma-notify kayo once na in-upload ko yung dalawang video na yon. Now, going to the design, ito so probably one of the surprising thing dito sa Tecno Camon 30 na series. Makita mo yung design niya, looks a lot like the Mate 50 Pro. Kasi all of the other classmate na nangopya dito sa design ni Mate 50 Pro, ginaya lang naman nila, simple nilagay sa gitna. But si Tecno Camon, kinapi niya and in-improve niya ang design ng Mate 50 Pro, putting the camera module a little bit to the left, tapos nilagyan pa niya ng etching dito to make it a little bit stand out on its own. Itong design na has gathered 3 awards during the MWC for the design, no? And I really honestly say now, yeah, it's really worth it. Maganda nga kanyang design. And likod niya is matte finish, so definitely it's good. Yung nga lang ang kanyang sides is fingerprint smudgy kasi very shiny. Overall, the feel is good. Magandang kanyang grip sa aking kamay. And I've been testing this for the past 2 weeks. I kind of love this phone. And to be honest with you, I have no problem using one-hand text dito sa phone na ito. Even medyo malaki siya. Kasi kaya ka naman i-about edge to edge. And before I forget, yung kanyang protection dito sa side is aluminum metal frame. Take note, aluminum metal frame, and likod niya is glass protected or eco leather finish. Now guys, nung sinunod ko ng SIM tray, you can see na you can support dalawang 5G SIM and walang micro SD card expansion. Napag-usapan natin ang processor dito sa phone na ito, and this one has the MediaTek Dimensity 7020. Alam natin, this is not a very wow na processor, but it gets the job done on a day-to-day basis. Kasi hina-highlight talaga ng Tecno dito sa phone na ito is more of yung kanyang camera system rather than yung gaming capability ng phone na ito. But we'll touch on gaming a little bit later. Nung sinala ko siya sa Antutu benchmark, binigay siya ng 509,000 points, and these are the breakdown score na nakuha ko. Ito, nakuha ko dito sa Slingshot Extremely 3D Mark. I'm not quite sure kung bakit ito ang error na nakuha ko sa Wildlife Extreme na stress test, so I wasn't able to run it. Well, kinda good naman ang kanyang thermals, and it throttled to 78% ng kanyang maximum performance. And ito naman ang score na nakuha niya sa CPU benchmarking ng Geekbench. Now guys, maraming special function dito nakatago sa loob ni Tecno Camon 30 5G. So pasok kayo sa settings sa special function. You can see all of these settings na pwede na kalikutin. So there's dynamic pour, floating windows, mem fusion, and game mode, smart hub, and some other modes na pwede na makalikot dito. And another function dito sa kanya is meron siyang indicator light. Magla-light up siya, no? Pag once na nag-charge ka, biblink siya, no? And pwede mo rin siya i-set na mag-blink pag may notification din as well. Now, one of the big improvement dito sa kanya is ang kanyang charging capability. This phone has a 5,000 mAh of battery and it can support up to 70 watts na fast charging, which normally makita mo sa mga Camon series like before. I think the last one was 35 or 40 if I can recall it right. This one, 70 watts na siya. So, you can charge it within 1 hour para tapos ang charging ng phone mo from 0 to 100. And what's good dito sa kanya is tumatagal naman ka ng battery. If you ask me kung kaya na mag-survive ng 1 whole day, walang problema. Kaya naman na as long as you're using normally. And nung sinalang ko sa battery stress test ng PC Mark, 13 hours and 20 minutes naman ang binigay sa akin. So if you're always on the go, pwede mo rin consider mga power bank like this one from Ugreen, and it gives it a fast charge as well. And kung hinahanap nyo ay bypass charging, andito sa battery and power saving, pagpasok ninyo, pasok kayo sa charge and turn on nyo lang itong bypass charging. So you have bypass charging, which is a good na feature para sa mga gamers out there. Now, itong phone na ito has a AMOLED display with 120Hz of screen refresh rate and ang kanyang screen size is 6.78 inch. What's nice dito is Corning Gorilla Glass protected ang kanyang glass, though I don't know kung anong glass level ang protection nito. Meron din siyang 2,160Hz na PWM meaning itong phone na ito is friendly to your eyes. And by the way, meron din siya 360 na touch sampling rate and 1,300 nits ang kanyang maximum brightness. Now, if you're the type of person na mahilig mag-scroll dito sa social media like Facebook and Twitter, okay na okay siya. Kahit manood ka ng TikTok and sa Instagram, panalong ng phone na ito. If you're swiping, mabilis naman ang kanyang touch response, pansin ko. And what I like dito sa kanya is maganda ang kanyang display. And this one has a level 1 na wideband security level, meaning you can watch all of your favorite HD videos dito sa Netflix and other online streaming apps. If you're watching sa YouTube naman, I would say okay na okay siya dahil it can give you a really good experience dito sa phone na ito, be it watching Korean novela or other favorite shows na gustong-gusto nyo and your whole family or barkada. Now, since ang kanyang sound is tuned by Dolby Atmos, pakinggan lang natin, isagad lang natin ang kanyang volume to the 100. Let's see. Now, one of the good things naman dito pag sinagad mo, hindi naman siya tunog lata, but yung sound niya is good, rich, but hindi siya ganun kasing lakas ng mga flagship phones na natatry natin. Well, nasa mid-range nga talaga siya. Pagdating naman sa gaming, alam naman natin this phone is being featured to be a camera phone, not a gaming phone. But kaya naman na mag-game. So I did try to play 3 games naman dito sa phone na ito, Call of Duty Mobile, Mobile Legend, and of course si Farlight 84. Pagdating naman sa Call of Duty Mobile, itong game na ito, you would expect na magandang kanyang performance, kaya mo set to all high settings. What's nice dito is magandang kanyang touch response dito sa phone na ito, giving me that better experience. Wala akong nafe-feel na lag after 30 minutes na VR matches dito. Expect a good gaming experience sa Call of Duty Mobile. Now, pagdating naman sa Mobile Legend, itong game na ito, I would say, okay, walang problema. You can set it to all high settings din, like I said. You can set it to ultra na graphics and super na frame rate. Expect mo na magandang gaming experience na dito. Zero lags, halos okay. Smooth naman ang experience dito while you're on the battlefield. Kahit medyo magpakpakan na kayo, lahat ngayon nagkumpulan na sa isang area. Okay, wala akong na-feel na lag dito. Siguro if ever man, sobrang minimal. And it heated up to 45 degrees Celsius after playing for 30 minutes dito sa phone na ito. And as of laro ko kanina, it's 26 degrees Celsius here in Manila and naka-electric fan lang ako, hindi ako naka-aircon. And this is requested by yung mga meticuloso nating friends and viewers dito sa channel natin. So, yan, there's the weather report. Pagdating naman sa Farlight 84, ito medyo iba. I was able to set it to all high settings pero binaba ko rin siya sa HD due to the reason na medyo talaga mafe-feel mo maglalag tong phone na ito while you're playing ng intense game dito sa Farlight 84. Pag sinagad mo sa all high, feel mo, marami ka mafe-feel na frame drops. Pag binaba mo sa HD, expect mo smoother experience. Pero yung graphics, of course, not that good. But it's tolerable kasi I would say playable naman siya. Nakapaglaro 1 hour and it heated up to 47 degrees Celsius. Napag-usapan na natin ang highlight nitong phone na ito. Si Camon is all about camera. And ang kanyang main camera is a 50MP na Samsung G99 na meron siyang 1/1.56 inch na large sensor. And meron din siyang OIS, by the way. Pwede mo iset din siya sa 100MP na ultra clear mode, which I think ito yung pinagmamalaki ng Tecno sa kanyang exquisite na imaging dito sa phone na ito. And meron siya 2MP na depth sensor dito together, and it can record up to 2K and 30fps dito sa camera. And ang kanyang selfie camera is another good one, 50MP na main camera sensor, and also can record up to 2K and 30fps. Now, nung nilabas ko outdoor tong phone na ito, I was able to take in some really good shot. And true enough, si Camon 35G was really able to perform taking this shot outdoors. Kita natin all of the details dito is really nice. And another good thing dito is when you're taking some greens, okay siya, no? Hindi siya saturated na green. A little bit enhanced, but hindi siya OA na pagka-green niya. And when you're looking at some views like this, papansin mo yung cloud is full of details. And pag zoom in mo siya into 2x zoom, you'll see na yung kanyang color is almost the same dito sa kanyang normal na zoom. So, color consistency is okay. And kung mahilig ka naman sa mga background blur shot, this one is probably one of the better ones na nakuha ko dito from this camera. And makita mo yung separation between the subject and the background is really good on this one. Now, one of the good things naman dito sa kanyang camera is magandang range. No? Kita mo, dito sa harap, maganda naman details na dito sa tree na ito. Pag tinignan mo din dito is kinda good naman. Pero medyo a little bit soft lang, konti. Pag tinignan mo naman sa kanyang cloud details, okay naman siya. And yung building din sa likod is still good. Take another look at a tall building shot looking like this. Medyo dark blue ang kanyang sky dito sa normal zoom. And if you zoom it in sa 2x, same pa rin, dark blue pa rin siya. So, which is good for me ang kanyang color consistency. Once you bring this phone indoors sa medyo low light, mapapansin mo maganda rin ang kanyang shot daw, which I kinda like daw dito sa kanyang camera. Pag tinignan mo mga details dito sa mga baso and sa mga spoon and fork which is table, okay na okay pati itong painting na ito. Now, if you're the type of person who minds mga food shot, expect some really good shot coming off from this camera. And all of these food shots dito nakuha ko, I would say very nice, very sharp. I would say na you would really love to eat the mga food na pinicturean ko. Now, taking another shot dito, mapapansin mo, hindi lang ganun ka-blur yung background. Finocus ko dito sa halaman na ito. Medyo sharp pa rin ang tao dito, but yung tao dito sa left medyo mas blurred out na konti. Pero maganda naman ang pagka-focus dito sa kanyang halaman. And taking another shot like this one, looks really nice and very sharp ang kanyang mga details. Medyo low light ang situation natin dito. Taking some plant shots sa loob ng establishment, you'd see really good details kahit medyo low light lang siya. Now, the good thing is yung kanyang camera. Even though this is medyo makulimlim, I was able to take a good shot like this one. Sharp siya, I would say. Magandang details sa akin mukha. No, medyo madilim konti kasi talagang gloomy that time. But kung medyo mas maganda naman konti ang araw, this is how it looks like. And here's another shot. If you're taking some portrait shot naman, I would say na hindi lang ganun ka-blur ang background niya. But the color is pretty nice and sharp naman ang subject, and nagpa-pop out na siya from the background. Pag sa low light naman, you would see some good photos din like this one. This one is another good shot, and plus this one. Now, if you're using the front-facing camera, I would say shaky siya. But yung resolution is good at 2K, and probably you can use this as a good vlog camera if you have a gimbal. Okay, the rear camera is more stable compared sa front. Pero makita mo meron siyang kunting shake ng left and right. Kasi I'm just using my bare hand. But overall, the quality is good. Here's another sample from the outdoor naman. Makita mo, sharp na sharp ang video. And the color consistency is good. Yung alam medyo a little bit wobbly siya to the left and right. Wala naman siyang shake up and down. Left and right nga lang ang shake niya. Here's another one from the front-facing camera. Now guys, what do I think about itong phone na ito? If it's being priced at $9,499 at kanyang early bird price, this is definitely a good buy. Ang ganda ng kanyang camera, it can game, but of course not to the best experience. But yung kanyang design is definitely one of its own. Ang ganda ng kanyang design. Probably, I'm really proud dito sa ginawa ni Tecno, no? Being able to copy design ng Huawei Mate 50 Pro and turn it into something of its own, which I think ma-appreciate ng maraming tao dito sa kanyang design. And another good thing is, mabilis yung kanyang charging and it has a really good na display as well. So guys, kung gusto nyo i-catch ang kanyang early bird sale, link on the description, mga official link na nilagay natin na. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends, and a subscription to this channel would definitely be awesome. And I'll see you on the next one.
And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.